Today we're looking at part number 4753-D. This is your trailer spindle D shaped washer for your Dexter axles. And Dexter is the only one I know that actually uses a D shaped spindle. So really you're only going to see these on Dexter axles to my knowledge. It's commonly used on 2,000 pound axles all the way up to 8,000 pound. So it's real common. And let's measure it out real quick. So the outer diameter is going to be 1.66 inches, and the inner diameter from the circular part is going to be 1.02 inches, and if you're measuring the flat spot, it's going to measure 0.91. And you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd be glad to help you out. Thanks.